Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to install N8N on the render. So friends, all you have to do, go to GitHub and search for N8N as you can see here. After that, click on first result, this one N8N. Click this one guys, N8N result, and from here click fork and then click create a fork. As you can see here friends, from here forking N8N is installed, take a few seconds, and this is on as you can see here. And from here go to render, click on the new icon. From here click web service, and after that search for N8N, this one, click this one, and after that wait a few seconds, scroll down. From here select the region, and from here select free plan. After that click deploy web service. This is how you can do, guys. This is helpful for you. Then don't forget, give a like and share this video for more content.